Okay, now that we're there. Alright, we checked this out earlier and we've decided to come down here and swim because it's hot. So yeah, that's what we're doing. What you think, people? What you think?
Yay! It's a lot warmer.
It's cold.
I'm telling you, it's
Cold.
a lot warmer. You can actually see I'm on bottom.
Daddy, are you going to touch it?
Oh, you touching?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was a lot deeper than that.
Oh,
This would be scary.
Yeah, I know. I saw that earlier.
Look how slimy it
Yeah, I stepped across it.
looks. Is it slimy?
It is a bit slimy. Here, I'll hold
No,
it.
I mean it's like here too.
Yeah, it's slimy.
To walk up and you got to swim this way now.
Okay, I got your hands. You got it?
It's not cold.
Okay.
Oh, it's slick.
Yeah, it is.
I got it.
I got it.
Girl, I got it.
You got it? Okay, okay.
Careful, slip.
This isn't as cold as the last one.
It's not.
So it's not even that deep.
Yeah, I'm standing on my
Yeah.
my heels flat-footed right now.
Okay.
And it bevels like this down, just like it bevels on that side.
Oh, okay.
I
Cool.
just can't get any traction.
Run! Run underwater!
Trying to get up there.
Oh, the water's cold.
It's got that hard, but it's kind of that clay.
It's cold. What are you laughing about? It's not that funny.
Jump in.
Moo-moo need a bath?
Concrete's right here.
Huh?
So go up this way.
It's so slippery. Wow.
Not bad, is it?
Look at his hair.
Kind of cold.
Look at your head. It's so funny.
You'll feel
Look like
perfect
a
in no time
girl.
here. I don't even, it doesn't feel cold now to me. It's not been like the last place. I mean, I was freezing there.
Girl, jump in, girl. Come on.
Come on.
Looks like someone's gonna jump in down there. Dive, dive. There he goes. Yay! Splashy poo.
How come Ross won't get it?
Yeah, Ross, why don't you get in? He's like, no. It's cold. Audie is braving it and he's walking that platform.
Here's the section walking on water.
And it does look like he's walking on water. It's pretty cool.
I can see it.
Because all I can see is the water, like him standing on it.
Right. Uh-oh. She got in. It's too late now, girl. You can't get out.
Until you have to
Is it cold, Cheslin? You know, if you just get down into it, then it won't be that cold. Just dive down. 1, 2, 3, go! No, okay.
You can swim. Y'all know how to swim.
Swim. Good one. Oh my God.
I went far enough away, right?
Yeah, you should have actually warned me. Oh, you were trying to splash me, weren't you?
Warn you. Come on, Moo-moo. Come on, babies.
She's like, you're crazy.
What?
Picking up dust.
Whoa! I did it! It's cold! It's cold!
No, it's not. It's not.
Backfired.
Oh yeah, look, I'm coming back up the.
I feel like a dog right now.
Look at the water trying to. It's going down, but it's blowing up so fast.
Okay, hold on.
It's hitting us.
So it's blowing the water back up?
Yeah, see it?
Oh yeah, just a little bit. But it's also
For a
rocks and
minute
too.
there, it was
What the
really
freak? Look at him. Crawl up there. Crawl.
Oh, I want to get in so bad.
Get in, Carl.
You get in. Come on, get in.
It's cold.
No.
Oh, this water's not cold.
It is. It's really slick. You guys stay on this
Move's
side
like,
now.
y'all have lost your crazy mind. Hold on. All right, watch out. Let me put her down right there.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, good girl. Yeah. Yeah.
Don't let her get near that. Look at it. It's all slime right here.
It's fine. She's not by the edge.
Come here, baby.
There you go.
Yeah, that's why I'm not coming up.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. And,
Yeah, I'm on the
Are you having complications, lady?
I'm telling you, I got
It's like the first time you're walking. Be careful, it's slippery. Okay, you ready? And go! Good job. Good job.
I touched the ground!
Yay! What? Oh yeah, now it's blowing up. Look at that. Wind's blowing it back upwards. Swim, swim. This is your swimming class, y'all.
You're leaving?
Keep it is over here. See, touch bottom.
Pandemonium. Moo-moo, come here. Good girl. She's like, what is this? What is it? It's pandemonium. Walk all over it, girl. Stay, Moo-moo. Such a beautiful day today. And windy. Right, Moo-moo? Such a beautiful day. It is.
I was gonna give you a super bath.
She does not seem interested in your... Get him in there!
Oh, I think one of those ants burned me.
We're all hanging out, listening to some music here under the kind of pavilion, barbecue area, picnic area. And the sun is going down. It's a beautiful day today. Right, Moo-moo? Right, yeah. Wanna get you, wanna get you, wanna get you, wanna get you.
I don't have any makeup on today.
Oh my god, you look
Me
fine.
either. I don't have any makeup on.
Kissy, kissy, poo.
Wow. Another day of paradise.
That's it.
Now we need some oxygen.
Can y'all see those deer on the other side of the river? They're in the woods. They say they come around here all the time. Those are so pretty. Deer! Oh deer! I think they're grazing or eating, whatever. Aw. There's 4 of them over there.
Fences out
Do you
there.
want that in the way?
Oh, the
Fine.
fence?
Did you notice they were 8 foot tall?
I've seen the
What are
other
you doing?
fences.
Yeah, they're 8 foot tall, some
Yeah.
of them.
And they still can jump over those things. halfway.
Barely.
Yeah.
Some of them can't. That's why they're on the road dead. Because they
It just
hit those
amazes me.
fences or they're coming over them.
That amazes me how they just, so many of them.
Look! UFO! I don't know, that was kind of a weird conversation, so I thought I'd change it.
We were talking about
All the
zebras
dead
and
Oh,
things,
yeah.
a zebras
I
and a
know.
gazelle.
How
There's
they
hunting
hunt 'em.
farms here.
Oh, okay.
You go, they're African. They have all sorts of
That's
African
sad.
animals.
I saw a zebra
don't
and
like
Scott
that at
didn't
all.
believe me and I was like, yeah, that was a zebra we passed by.
Wait till you see the pretty gray and
In
white
Texas?
elk,
Yeah.
or what'd you call them? With the horns that are way long.
Did they escape from a zoo or what?
No,
You gave
these
us a whole
people
bunch
raise
of them
them
for
for
that?
kills. They sell and have people come out and take pictures and stuff like they've been to Africa. and they
Political,
take
too
their head.
political.
Political, we don't like it.
Okay, I'm
go
just
this
telling
way.
you what's
No.
out here.
You take a picture of my glass?
Well, luckily they don't have.
Glass up there. There we go.
We'd all be up a creek.
God, I'll have to get me a man to scratch my back with his ears. When I get too old, can't move.
I believe in freedom too, but then there's some things that some people think like, oh, we're
Yeah.
free to just litter like the last part.
See, a lot
came
of
from.
a lot of people don't know that those ranches exist
thank
here.
you.
So that's
Is that like the one that Cheney was shooting ducks and shot his friend in the face?
That's damn funny.
Is that
there.
the kind of place where they went to a private area?
It is. It is.
How can you miss and shoot your friend in the
is.
face?
Shot himself in the butt, didn't he?
No, crazy.
Hey, it was bad enough my friend was killing chickens. I went inside. I was scared to death because she was shooting those chickens. I was like,
And cut.
Oh, what is that? A plug-in for it?
Yeah, and he.
Oh yeah, USB. It's got an internal battery.
Is that thing waterproof or something like that too?
Is this waterproof? I know mine is.
Yeah.
It is.
Wow.
You can't mess with it. That's the whole point of the camera.
I'm getting your.
Did you do two postings of the hair?
That's good. Don't pull it back.
Wrong glasses.
Did you do 2 sessions? Because I got one already on your hair, and now there's another one.
So that the first one was at the
Gathered for the feast.
So what
They
happened?
stab it with their stealing eyes, but they just can't kill the beast.
I thought I found you in the woods as dusk light faded, and left me running through dark hedges toward the porch light. I thought I heard you in the buzzing air at twilight, but I lost you in the crowning mist. Will you reach me only when I give up trying? Place a cool hand on my cheek when I am crying. Will you only grace my bed when I am dying? What strange love is this that only knows denying?